Hi, thanks for spending a moment with me on the video version of the Goldman Show. I was a practicing attorney for 25 years, and on my radio show, which you can find through normangoldman.com, a lot of people talk to me about law stuff. It is the single most popular thing we do on the radio, and I spend a lot of time talking about the law, teaching about the law, breaking down court decisions, and I like doing that on these videos. Now, a lot of people ask me, and I get this all the time, Norm, how do I find a good lawyer for the problem that I'm having? First of all, what you need to understand is you have to start by identifying the problem you have. Now, for most people, and in most cases, that's not too difficult. If two people are married and they're no longer happy and they're fighting all the time, they want a divorce, you know you need a divorce attorney. If you've got a parent who is exhibiting signs of Alzheimer's disease, that's called a conservancy lawyer. You need a lawyer who can have somebody appointed to take care of that person, maybe have to put him in a home. But what you need to do first is you need to identify the type of lawyer you need. Every state in the United States has a state bar association. You can find it on the internet very easily. Whatever state you're in, it's generally known as the state bar of, and then insert the name of your state. Generally, the states, and I've looked at most state bar websites now, they're quite good these days. They actually have a lot of information for the public. Now, a lot of state bars, not all of them, but most of them, have what's known as a referral service, meaning they have lawyers who are specializing in various areas. And many state bar associations now certify specialists in various types of law. They don't certify specialists in all types of law, but they certify specialists in a lot of types of law, like probate. If you want to write a will, right, or if your parents need to take care of their estate in advance of their death. There are specialists in divorce. There are specialists in a variety of fields, and the lawyers have to go through extra training and extra testing to get that certification. Generally, the state bar of your state is a really good place to start to get information about the type of case you may have and any lawyers in your area that specialize. In addition to that, the county in which you live often has a bar association itself, separate from the state bar. Now, if you're in a larger county, like Los Angeles County, where I live, the County Bar of Los Angeles is very big, and the website is very full of information. And they have their own lawyer referral service. So you can start with your state bar, then try your county bar. If those things fail, go talk to people that you know, that you trust. Ask them if they've ever had legal problems where they needed a lawyer. You can always talk to people that you know and trust, because chances are they have had a problem and they know a good lawyer. It may not be a lawyer in the area you need, but you may be able to get a good referral to a good lawyer to spend just 10, 15, 20 minutes talking to. Many lawyers will do this for free, an initial free consultation. That's not all of them, but many of them will. And they'll give you a few minutes to ask you a few basic questions, and then they'll tell you what kind of problem you have and if they know of any good lawyers. The last thing that you want to do, and I hate to say this, but it's true, don't go by the TV lawyers. The ones that advertise on TV, they're casting a very wide net, and for them it's really just a business. They're trying to get as many people in the door, screen out who the good ones are, who the bad ones are. It's really more about their business than it is caring for you. I know the TV lawyers will get mad at me for saying that, but it's true. Start with your state bar, go to your county bar, talk to people you trust, but first identify the type of legal trouble you need. If you don't know what kind of legal trouble you need, just get yourself to a lawyer who's had some experience as a lawyer. I mean, just a couple of years out, 2, 3, 4, or more years as an attorney. Spend a few minutes talking to that lawyer, and that lawyer will help guide you in an area that is your problem, and maybe they know of some lawyers that can help you. Thanks for spending a minute with me. I hope I did you some good. We'll see you next time on the video version of the Goldman Show.